Hello everyone, welcome to Chemazon-Complete Chemistry. So this is question 57 of the same paper. Two closed bands lying in UV spectrum occur at 274 nanometer and 269 nanometer. The magnitude of energy gap between the two bands is how much? So here if you see what is the given data, although we have to find out the energy gap, but if you see the units, always check the units before solving. It is centimeter inverse. Centimeter inverse is a unit of 1 by lambda, or we can say it is nu bar. What is nu bar? Nu bar is wave number. So what we have to find out here is a wave number and not the energy gap. So what is the formula? Delta E is equal to Hc by lambda. This is also equal to, if I want to find out the energy gap, what I will do, E2 minus E1. What is E2? E2 is higher energy. And what is E1? E1 is the lower energy. Now again, E2 I can write it as Hc by lambda 1 minus, Hc by lambda 2, and E1 I can write it as Hc by lambda 1. So what I can do, I can take Hc common, 1 by lambda 2 minus 1 by lambda 1. Now E2 is a higher value, so lambda 2 will be what? Lambda 2 will be the lower wavelength, because energy and wavelength are inversely proportional. Lower value of wavelength. And what is lambda 1? Lambda 1 is the higher wavelength. And here what we have, Hc by lambda. Now what we can do is, we can cancel Hc and Hc since they are common. And what is 1 by lambda? 1 by lambda is nothing but wave number that we have to find out. So wave number is equal to 1 by lambda 2 minus 1 by lambda 1. Okay, and what is the unit? Unit we want is in centimeter inverse. So what we can do, we can convert wavelength into centimeters. So lambda 2, that is a lower wavelength, is 269 nanometer. 1 nanometer is how many meter? It is 10 raised to minus 9 meter. And what is 1 meter into centimeter? 1 meter is 10 raised to 2 centimeter. Okay, so 10 raised to minus 9 into 10 raised to plus 2 is 269 into 10 raised to minus 7 centimeter. So this is lambda 2. Similarly, what will be lambda 1? Lambda 1 will be 274 into 10 raised to minus 7 centimeter. Now what we can do? We can solve. I can erase this. What is lambda? Let me write down the formula. Nu bar is equal to 1 by lambda 1 minus 1 by lambda 2. What is lambda 1? Sorry, this was lambda 2 minus lambda 1. So what is lambda 2? The lower value, 269 into 10 raised to minus 7 centimeter. And what is lambda 1? 274 into 10 raised to minus 7 centimeter. Just substitute the values. 1 by lambda 2 is 269 into 10 raised to minus 7 centimeter, minus 1 by lambda 1 is how much? 274 into 10 raised to minus 7 centimeter. This, if you solve, the final answer will be in centimeter inverse. And what is the final answer? 678.4. Okay, and what they have given, question they have given is round off to the nearest integer. Nearest integer means there should be no decimals. Okay, there should be no decimal places. It should be a integer. So I will round off to here. If it here the value is less than 5, so we will keep the number as it is, 678 centimeter inverse. So this is the correct answer. If you see the range, what is the range they have given? 670 to 685. So 678 comes in between 670 to 685. So this is the correct answer. I hope you have understood this solution. Thank you.